eye base on today. This is it already spread. This is it right here. So I'm just going to show you. It's been sitting for a while because I had a phone call and I had to answer. But I am going to put eye base today and do a look. Same here. I'm using Didi's Signature Lioness Hot Press Pigment Palette. I'm going to use this red. When you're watching this, don't worry about the eyebrows because I'm not a brow person. I love playing with makeup, but brows is my least favorite thing. So the brows never come out the way it's supposed to, not even on me when I do it. So I want you to remember that when you're watching this. Okay, with the base on, I notice a difference. It's not powdery like without the base. The base does hold it in place better. Because I noticed it was so powdery the last time. But it was not the eyeshadow, it was that I didn't put base. I wanted to try it without base first. So I know with base, it sticks nicer than without base. It's easier to pat. When you blend, it picks up some other stuff. But when you pat, everything falls in place. There's always more on one eye, always. No matter how I try, one eye always gets more than the other. We'll fix this when we start cleaning. This one needs a little bit more because right here is covered and this is a little bit more narrow. Yep. Okay, a little bit more. See, I'm trying to make it even here because I'm looking over here and then here. It was not the same. Now I need to clean this up. So this is red eyeshadow. I'm going to give it a top liner because I kept the bottom liner on. That's the eyeliner on this one. Now eyeliner on this one. You know, I'm glad I waited to get this done because I do have the time now to get it done properly. So I am glad I waited. Blending on these models. Blending on these models is not the best thing. Dabbing is the best thing. I'm just cleaning it now so we can look a little decent. Doing the same thing for my lighter skin tone model. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Watch it all the way through because that helps a lot. I'm using makeup remover to clean it. See how one eye is different? This one is over here. So I'm going to have to do the same over here. Go a little bit more. And this is my Garnier makeup remover I'm using. This is what they look like with one color eyeshadow. I'll turn it around. That's it. Today's I am surrounded and filled with infinite wisdom. I am surrounded and filled with infinite wisdom. Until I see you and you see me, always know that you belong. Always, always know that you belong. Bye.